We will now begin Section 1 of Module 2 to focus on Level 1 of the Dialogic Reading Framework. We will now begin to focus on the first level for dialogic reading. Level 1 centers on developing new words, and not just the vocabulary word, but understanding the concept that is attached to a word. For example, when reading Little Owl Lost, children will not only learn that the main character is an owl, but teachers will ensure that children learn the real concept behind the word owl, what they are, what they do, where they live. It's important for teachers to introduce new words using dual language learning strategies. For example, teachers, regardless of the languages they speak, can encourage dual language learning children to think of these new words in their home language as they develop conceptual understanding and expand vocabulary knowledge in both languages. The purpose for Level 1 is for teachers to encourage collaborative talk, using the vocabulary of the story to comment on the pictures and establish labels for objects and actions as they elicit details about the pictures. Through this process, teachers enhance learning through implementation of research-based instructional strategies for teaching both academic and everyday words. There are 5 critical elements for Level 1 of the Dialogic Reading Framework. These elements play an instrumental role in ensuring that Level 1 is implemented appropriately and children make progress toward building new vocabulary and using language to communicate effectively. Teachers ask children to describe and comment on the objects found on the pages of the book. It is very important to repeat readings of the same story to ensure that all children understand and use the new vocabulary. Teachers use prompts to motivate children and support their active engagement in using and identifying the new vocabulary of the story. As teachers engage in motivational activities, they provide ongoing acknowledgement and positive feedback for children's use of new vocabulary. For children who are dual language learners, teachers' ongoing formative assessments allow for differentiated instruction at students' linguistic proficiency levels. Teachers expand children's responses and provide ample opportunities for them to imitate extended language. Teachers frame their questions using WH-type questions such as what, where, why, who. Watch this short video clip on introducing vocabulary during Dialogic Reading Level 1 practice. Our focus in viewing this video is on dialogic reading practices in Level 1. Ms. Gonzalez is working with transitional kindergarten students who are at the beginning proficiency levels of language development. In addition to the activity that you will observe, she has provided ample opportunities for students to have experiential learning times, including centers, outdoor extensions, and carpet time.
What is bloom? Huh?
Glimmer.
What is bloom? Bloom. Say bloom. First, you are a bud. This is a bud. This little bud. See how small it is? Esto es un botón. Digan, botón.
Botón.
Bud. Bud. No es botón como tu camisa. This is a bud from a flower. Un botón con una flor. Look at this flower. This flower has bloom. It has grown and it has bloom just like you have. When you bloom, you can read. You can write. You can
Talk.
You can talk. So that's what Leo has done. He has bloom just like you. And there is Leo. And how is he feeling? How is Leo feeling?
Sad.
He is feeling sad. What is the elephant doing, Francis?
Reading.
Elephant is reading. Can you say that?
Elephant is reading a book.
Elephant is reading a book. That's a good sentence. What is owl doing, Denise? The owl is reading a book. Good sentence. What is snake doing, Berenice? Can you say that again? Snake is reading a book. And what is Clover doing, man? Nice sentence. Clover's reading a book. And what is Crocodile doing, Christian? He is reading a book. What is Leo doing?
Nothing.
He is not reading. Can he read yet?
No.
No, not yet. Do you think he will bloom and learn to read?
Yes.
Let's find out. He was a sloppy eater. Can you say sloppy?
Sloppy.
Sloppy means you're not neat, right? Sloppy means like when you eat, it's all over. So can you go like this? Say sloppy.
Sloppy.
Yesterday we had ice cream for our treats, right? And some of you I saw were sloppy eaters out there. You had ice cream all over yourself.
With your
And what did Miss Gonzalez tell you to go do?
Watch
Go wash your face because you were sloppy, weren't you? So sometimes when we're learning, we're a little, what's the word? Sloppy. En español dice descuidado. What's it, descuidado? Dije, descuidado. Sí, descuidado. Descuidamos cómo escribimos, descuidamos cómo comemos, muy descuidados y hacemos un cochinero, ¿verdad? So, sloppy. So Leo was very sloppy.
During the dialogic reading lesson, Ms. Gonzalez developed vocabulary using her knowledge of students' proficiency levels to expand on what they already knew. She asked multiple WH questions to elicit student responses, such as what is the elephant doing, what is the owl doing, and she provided positive feedback. And now we will view a dialogic reading activity where the teacher is focused on introducing a new story to the children.
Ready? Here's our story. This is called Carrot Soup. Carrot Soup, and the author and the illustrator is John Segal. Give me a thumbs up if you know this book. Okay, a couple of you have seen this one before. He wrote the words and he drew the pictures. Okay, John Segal. Now, I see a rabbit on the front of this book. That gives me an idea
I see a dog on the book.
what this book might be about. What do you think is going to happen in this story?
Carrot.
I see some hands. Diego, what's going to happen? What about carrots?
Rabbits.
Rabbits and carrots. Diego sees rabbits and carrots. Can we put those together and add some more? Joshua, what do you think?
I see a dog.
See, and what does that tell you is going to be in the story?
A dog. A soup. Because I see the soup in its hand.
You see the soup in his hand. So what does that tell you about the story,
We're
Cameron?
gonna cut the carrots up and put it in the soup.
Okay, Christopher said they're going to cut the carrots up and put it in the soup. Cameron, tell me again.
And then we're gonna mix it.
What's the rabbit going to do?
Eat the soup.
Eat the soup. That's a good idea. Mariana, I see your hand. What do you think?
He's gonna cut the carrot, put them in the soup, cook them, and when they're ready, he's gonna put them in the plate, and he's gonna eat them.
You gave us lots of steps for making carrot soup. Cut the carrots, put them in the plate, cook them, then put them in the plate, and then eat them. Wow. Danny, what do you think?
I think when they're done, maybe after they're gonna put the carrots in the
In the oven. So you think maybe the oven is the place where they're going to cook the carrots. Those are good ideas, guys. Philip, did you have something to add? What?
maybe the rabbit will pull the carrots out of the garden.
Pull the carrots out of the garden. Why would carrots be in the garden?
Because you grow them. Yeah.
You grow them. Did you want to add to that, Philip? You grow them? You're nodding. That means you agree, right?
Again.
Okay, let me start reading, and then if you have more to add, tell me.